Hi there, students. The rub of the green. Okay, the rub of the green talks about luck, or at least from my interpretation. If you get the rub of the green, you are lucky. If you don't get the rub of the green, you're unlucky. And this is particularly used for sports. Because sometimes in sports you're lucky and sometimes you're unlucky. And that can make a lot of difference. So this is the rub of the green. If we play well and get the rub of the green, we could get to the final of the competition. It's good fortune. It's something that is lucky, but especially in determining or the outcome of sporting events. Let's see, if you've ever played snooker or pool, maybe you hit the balls and you hit the white ball and the balls start to move and your shot is a terrible shot and it doesn't work at all, and then the balls bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce, and then the ball that you were trying to hit goes into the pocket. That's the rub of the green. You were just lucky. Yeah, more normally with something like that, the rub of the green will be against you. Okay, so, or for example, in cricket, the rub of the green, when the ball bounces, it can move suddenly in one direction or another. Maybe because it hits a small stone or something like that. And that is the rub of the green. Now, they use this phrase, the rub of the green, in golf, to talk about anything that causes the ball to change its course, but something outside. Not, let's see, in golf you hit the ball and the ball goes up in the air and down, bum bum bum, and it bounces. But you could maybe the ball could hit a bird. That would be the rub of the green. Or the ball could hit a spectator. This is like luck. A rub of the green is where the trajectory of the ball is changed. And I think very often we use this to say that that's something that's going to be either good or bad luck, but it's like an outside influences in a game that can change the event. I don't know. I'm thinking of an election, and maybe when there is voting, if it rains a lot on the day when people vote, it can change the result of the election. And that, again, I would say is the rub of the green. So if you get the rub of the green, things are going well. You just you're in the right place at the right time. I think this is used more though for sports games where something happens, is a fluke, is good fortune. Yeah, you were just really lucky, and things worked out for you. There was an unforeseen circumstance that was to your favour, and that is the luck of the rub of the green. Now let's see. So the rub of the green. I think the rub of the green. They say that this comes from golf, but it may also come from bowls, which is played on grass as well. And the rub of the green, when you cut grass, the grass is bent in one direction or another direction or another direction, and this actually affects the movement of the ball. The green, we have a green in golf, which is the little bit where the hole is, or a bowling green as well. And the green is talking about the grass of the bowling green or the grass of the bowls green. And then the rub, it depends which way the grass is facing. Yeah, so formality, the rub of the green. I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use semi-formally. I don't think I would use it in something very formal though. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The rub of the green.